Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Supabase Auth in React projects. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to authenticate with Supabase Auth in a React project. Start by creating a new React application if you haven't already. You can use create React app by running the command npx create React app mysupabase app. After the installation completes, navigate into the project folder using cd mysupabase app. Next, install the Supabase client library by executing npm install at supabase/supabase.js. Now, create a new file in the src directory called supabaseclient.js. In supabaseclient.js, first import the create client function from Supabase, import create client from @supabase/supabase. Next, you'll need your Supabase URL and an on key. Head to the Supabase website and create a new project if you haven't done so already. Once the project is created, find the API section in the settings to access your URL and an on key. Back in your supabaseclient.js, initialize the Supabase client with your credentials, const supabase equals create client, your underscore. Now export the Supabase client, export default Supabase. Next, let's set up authentication context. Create a new folder named context inside the src directory. Inside the context folder, create a file called authcontext.js. In authcontext.js, import React and create context, import React, create context, use state, use effect, from React. Create a new context using create context, const auth context equals create context. Now, add the auth provider component that will hold authentication state. In the auth provider, use the useState hook to create user and loading states, const user set user equals useState, null, and const loading set loading equals useState. Use the Supabase client's onAuthStateChange method to listen for authentication state changes. In the useEffect hook, set loading to false once the user data is retrieved. Create the login and logout functions to manage user authentication. For logging in, use const user error equals await supabase.auth.signin, email, password. And for logging out, use await supabase.auth.signout. Return the user, loading state, and authentication functions from the auth provider. Next, wrap your application with the auth provider in index.js. Import the auth provider, import auth provider from ./context/auth context. Then wrap the app/component, auth provider app//auth provider. Now, create a login form component. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.